Hi, I'm Mike Rankin, Editor-in-Chief of InDesign Secrets, and in this video, I'll show you how to use bookmarks to navigate around inside your InDesign documents. Most of the time, when people create interactive bookmarks in InDesign, they do it for the benefit of the reader. In PDFs, bookmarks act like hyperlinks that let readers jump to any specific point in the text in the document. But you can also use bookmarks the same way while you're working inside InDesign. So let me show you. Here in my InDesign document, I have a lot of text, and if I open the Pages panel and look down at the bottom, I can see that I have 85 pages in this document. So navigating around to specific places might take some time and effort, but I can make it fast and easy by bookmarking the places where I want instant access to. For example, let's say I wanted to be able to jump to the beginning of every chapter. I can make a bookmark of every chapter number or every chapter title. And a really fast way to do that is to use the Table of Contents feature. And I can do that here because all of my text has been formatted with paragraph styles. So I'll start by opening the Bookmarks panel, which I can find under Window, Interactive, Bookmarks. And you can see it's empty right now because I have no bookmarks yet. Now to generate them, I'll choose Layout, Table of Contents. And in the Styles in Table of Contents section, I'll remove any styles that I don't want to generate bookmarks, like body text. I'll click Remove. And then I'll find my chapter number style, which is here, select it, and click Add. Now, since I'm only interested in making bookmarks, I don't really care about the rest of the settings in this dialog box, with one exception. In Options, I must select Create PDF Bookmarks, right here. I'll click OK. And notice what happens. InDesign instantly created bookmarks for all the chapter numbers, and I can see them in the panel. And I also have the generated table of contents loaded into my cursor. And I have to actually place it somewhere in the document for those bookmarks to remain. So I'll just drag out a little frame here on the pasteboard. And again, I'm only using the table of contents feature just to get these bookmarks. Now, if I move my cursor over a bookmark in the panel, it tells me what page it's on. So I can see Chapter 5 starts on page 26, and I can double-click any bookmark to jump to that content. Note that the bookmarks are attached to the content itself and not to the page. So if I were to add or remove pages from the document and the page numbers changed, the bookmarks would still work and take me to the right content. Also note that I can add more bookmarks manually. Like if I scroll down to some important text that I know I'll have to come back to, like for example this dialogue, Who is Captain Ahab? I can select that text and then click the New Bookmark button. Notice how my new bookmark is named with the text I selected, and because I had the Chapter 16 bookmark already highlighted in the panel, the new one is nested underneath. And I can rearrange my bookmarks at any time by dragging them up or down in the panel. I can also choose Sort Bookmarks from the panel menu to restore the page order. And lastly, you can rename a selected bookmark by clicking it, pausing, and clicking again. So in Chapter 16, I could remind myself that this is one where I need to add an extra image. First, I'll double-click to jump to it, then click, pause, click again, and now I can start typing in here. So I'll just add a note. And there we go. So here we saw how bookmarks can be used to navigate around inside an InDesign document and as a way of leaving yourself notes attached to specific content. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want lots more tips like this, be sure to check out InDesignSecrets.com and subscribe to InDesign Magazine.